Hi guys, Rick here at Rick's Rebuilds, and welcome back to another video on the kind of BMW update. So, why would you like to explain why we're at the train station?
Because you're buying me another car.
Yeah, it's not as simple as that though, is it? So, update of the BMW. We'll cut in now with an update. Right, update on the BMW. So I did the. Where did we leave it last week? Oh, last week it was the. So it was the eccentric shaft sensor and motor that we suspected was faulty. So I replaced the eccentric shaft sensor. It got rid of all the codes. Started it up. It was fine again. Revved it up to 3,000, and it died right on the spot. So I bought these timing kits. Just to measure where the timing is on the actual car. And yeah, so the timing was okay. It was a little, well, actually no, time wasn't okay. Time was off. So I thought, oh, okay, let's just retime the car. Retime the car again, put it all back together, and yeah, it's still having the same issue. So I think it's going to be the timing chain that's actually gone. So we're going to replace the timing chain next week. Well, this coming week, I suppose, if the video goes out. So yeah, we're going to get the timing chain replaced. But yeah, at the moment it's just a non-runner. So we're now going to cut into Hull and back. So Ely and back, where yeah, we've got this Range Rover Sport for the old girl. So let's move on to that now. So yeah, if ever, like, comment, subscribe. Right, here we go. So yes, so this is why we're going on the train to Ely to pick up a Range Rover Sport for Mrs. Automotive. So she's going to drive the L322 on the school run. I'm going to get the train. Right, here we go. Right, so I'm at Colchester train station, in their North station. So, oh, that'll be the missus. So yeah, this Range Rover Sport, apparently. So yeah, here we go. We're going to start a little journey now. I'll report back once the train's actually here. So I've got like 20 minutes of waiting to do, so it's not too bad. But yeah, hopefully she likes it. And then next week will be more of the BMW. Right, let's do it. Right, this is the train. This is the one that's going to take us to Ipswich, where we have to change over. So let's get on board. Yeah, so it's obviously got to be first class all the way.
Welcome to this service for Norwich. We will be calling at Manningtree, Ipswich.
Whenever I see it first class on a train, it just makes me think of that video of that old man, that elderly gentleman who videoed his whole trip, like facing, like the camera was the wrong way around or something. Let me see if I can find the clip. But basically, he was supposed to be videoing the whole of the scenery of wherever he was, but he was just videoing himself. It was like 5 hours worth of footage. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. So I have to make sure I don't do that.
And here we are.
Yeah, but we'll be doing that on the way home. Obviously not. Right, made it to Ipswich. Next stop, Ely, platform 4B. Right, let's do it. Right, okay, we made it to Ely, and see if we can find it. Right, here she is. Yeah, no worries. Oh, she looks good. She does look good. Looks really good. Really nice, mate. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, cool. There she is, guys. 1 hour and 30 minutes well spent. Right, so get us started. Right guys, so I've done about, I don't know, a couple miles down the road. Got these lights on, something to do with the hill descent control. Basically what I found is when you start it up, you drive it, a hill descent turns on. So obviously it does its little braking thing. And apart from that, it's alright. It turns itself off and then you just drive it again normally. So, just going to drive back home now. And yeah, enjoy the journey. So guys, I've travelled about 20 miles now. So yeah, it's not a bad purchase. It's gonna be a little school run car. So yeah, it's all right. I'll join me back at base. But no, all good so far. Right guys, here she is. Made it back, nice, safe and sound. And yeah, didn't skip a beat. The old Dee's insured on it now, isn't she? So I'll go and get a reaction for you in a second. Just have a quick look around it. And yeah, but honestly, didn't skip a beat. Nothing wrong with it. There was a steering angle sensor that was caused by a bad jump start. But I recalibrated that on the diagnostics and it seemed to solve it. So yeah, not bad. So all in all, got it for, including insurance, tax, things like that, around about £1,000. So yeah, you can't go wrong. It's got the supercharged body kit on it. But yeah, no, it's a lovely motor, and well, hopefully she'll be happy with it. So I'll take you a little walk around it now. So it's got the supercharged body kit on it. 22 wheels. But yeah, no, it's 160,000 miles on this one. Obviously, it's got the missus driving position. Oh, yeah, so it's got the missus driving position. Left her trademark already. But no, it's really nice. It's probably one of the better ones I've seen for the money as well. But no, so got all the free car seats in the back, nice. So yeah, it's going to be the new school run car. Retire her for now. Well, she's going to be the workhorse now. And yeah, but no, for a no-fault Range Rover, that's not bad at all. So yeah, there we go. And we're copywriting right now.
Wednesday, Thursday.
So, what do you think of your new Range Rover Sport?
Actually love it.
Do
It's
you?
actually so good. Let me
Good.
get that out of my face.
No faults.
No, I actually love it. It's so much better than your ugly thing.
Right, okay, I'm going to cut now. Oh, update on the L322. It's got quite a bad wheel wobble at 60, 50, 60. So it's even going to be the balancing. But also, it's now got a knock on this side. So I need to look into that. So yeah, we've got plenty of work to do, other than the Sport, which is fine. just buy 2 cars that are broken. So yeah, so we're going to look into that a little bit. There's some kind of knock going on around here. Oh, some kind of knock going on around here. What I need to look into. Might start touching up the paintwork a little bit as well because I'm kind of jealous, if I'm honest. I mean, that car is in such nice condition. There's mine, so I don't know. Might have to do it. But yeah, so it's a nice old video, nice old girl, and yeah, she's happy with it. All right. Yes, guys. So the Sport's going to be the school run car. The Vogue's going to be the work car, and BMW. The project car. So if ever you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next week with more BMW. The timing chain kit's actually arrived, so like I mentioned earlier, so yeah, we're going to get the timing chains fitted on the old Beamer. And yeah, so I'll see you next week. All right, take care. See you later.